Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today we are going to do a mini album tutorial. First, this is our die cut. We cut 4 pieces for these frames. Use these parts. Then we cut some of these page frames. How many frames we cut mainly depends on how many pages we hope. I cut 16 pages. First, follow the lines. Let's fold these 4 frames. Okay, we're finished all for now. And then next step is to connect all these 4 together. We use double-sided tape. Then we paste them together. The third one is the same way. To stick double-sided tape. And paste to the other paper. This way. Okay, now we joined the 4 pieces together. Then we turn it over, use double-sided tape under the raised parts. There are 5 raised parts. Then we stick it together. Now we are done. We get the album spine. You can see that there are 5 raised parts. In next steps, we will paste in the pages on these raised parts. Okay, let's decorate the spine for this album. We still use double-sided tape. Also, we use some glue. It can be patched more firmly. Okay, let's clean and sort it out. Make more firmly. Now the spine is done. Now we're pasting the front and back half of the album. First, we apply a decorative layer. These small decorative frames also included in this die set. There are more paper cut to make the album more strong and beautiful. We use double-sided tape and add some glue and stick it on the spine. Make it strong. Okay. So this front cuff is done. Let's make the back cover. Stick the layer paper. And use the tape. Put this back cuff on. Okay, now the basic front and back cuff are done. We're going to put another layer on the inner side. This makes the front and the back cover more strong. So we have got front and back covers done. Now we start to install the inner pages. Each of our inner pages will be sticked on the raised parts. That's it, how to do it. Paste it on the raised parts. And use some glue on this inner page because we will paste another layer against it. Okay, this is one page done. According the same way, we pasted the other 5 in the pages. So now the basic mini album is ready. There are 5 in the pages, front pages and back pages. Then we use these accessories to make the buckler for this album to decorate. These small parts are also included in this die cut. This is like a belt. we stick this tape on inner side of the back page. This way is an ornament. It is also a buckler. What's the next? Yes, we can decorate the album. We paste the design paper for the front page. This flower paper is very beautiful. Then we do for the back cover. Now we finish the front cover and the back cover. In the same way we do in the pages. Okay, all our end pages are now decorated by flower paper. The album looks much beautiful. Now we continue to some decorate. Like they did pockets, we got by cut bottom parts of big frames. We make more pockets and inner pages. This way you can put more photos and small tags. We can see we are making a photo page. Stick the small pages on top of the big frames. To add photo pages, pockets, and smaller end pages, we can according our own favorite. Then to make the album in different style. Okay, let's go ahead. We use tapes on these three sides to make a pocket. Like this way is to make pocket. The pocket can hold the photos and the text. And if in this way, we only stick on the bottom, it is to make a smaller page. The photo pages and pockets and the smaller inner pages, the combination makes the album much beautiful. And it can be more sections. Okay, seems almost done. Let's make more decoration. Let's paste another one. This triangle pocket is also part of this album die cut. Now we add another triangle pocket. It's very lovely. Okay, we're done now. We can take a look and try it. It's a pocket that can hold photos and text, and the photo pages, another photo pages. There are many photo pages and smaller pages. Okay, let's enjoy another album. This is for Christmas. It is a simple, but it's cute, right? This is the album we just made it. We add some flowers for decoration. This pocket can hold photos and small green cards. This mini album is small, but if you make more pockets for the pages and in the pages, it also can hold a lot of photos. It can be a nice gift, and you can see it's very beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you like the album and our tutorial. Bye.